Thutha wa mũcemanio ũyũ, Kalonzo Musyoka augĩte ngwatanĩro ĩno nĩ gũkorwo ĩkĩaranĩria na atongoria a ciama cia DCP, PLP, United Green Movement na Linda Mwananchi gwĩkĩra ngwatanĩro ĩno hinya.
We're also talking to again re-engaging with PLP. Democracy for Party leader is of course our brother Rigathi Gachagua and also our sister Martha Karua of PLP. We are talking to others, including Chief Justice Emeritus, who has also indicated they may want to join this coalition as we rebrand. We are talking to Linda Mwananchi. So we wish them well as they push for the registration of Linda Mwananchi as a political.
Kajino nĩcirĩte gũkorwo na mĩhang'o ya kuongerera hinya ngwatanĩro ĩno, ũmwe yarĩ kwa friend Matiang'i, Peter Munya na Lenny Kivuti makorwo marĩ amemba erũ a ngwatanĩro ĩno.
The council made a decision to admit 2 new members into its ranks. That is His Excellency Fred Matiang'i, the Honorable former Governor His Excellency Peter Munya, and Honorable Senator Lenny Kivuti to become the new council members.
Oho kiama kia DAP nĩgĩcokete ngwatanĩro-inĩ ĩno rĩrĩ ciama cia Umoja na Maendeleo, PDP na kiama kia Democratic cikĩranĩra kũingĩra ngwatanĩro-inĩ ĩno.
The council also made a decision to invite one of our founding members, DAP Kenya Party, to rejoin the coalitions. The party leader, His Excellency Honorable Eugene Wamalwa, is here. He has confirmed they will be doing so. And finally,
Abdi Hassan kuma rũgongo rwa bũrũri nĩ amũrĩtwo nake kũingĩra thĩinĩ wa kamĩtĩ ya ũrũgamĩrĩri ngwatanĩro-inĩ ĩno.
Mr. Abdi Hassan from Garissa to join the executive. You see, we have the council and we have the executive.
Ciama itiganĩte ta Wiper, Jubilee, ODM, NARC, KANU na PNU nĩ igũikinyĩtie mũcemanio-inĩ ũyũ handũ-inĩ ha ceceni Inooro TV. Njĩtĩka Rĩithi wa Jenga.